My name is CHEONG and my matrix number is 293944. Today I will begin by introducing the background of Nasbadi Enterprise. Nasbadi Enterprise was established in 2013. The founder previously worked as HBA Corporate, where he gained valuable experience in organic chicken processing. When HBA closed its chicken processing division, he took the opportunity to take over the operation and start Nasbadi Enterprise. In the early stage, the company managed the entire supply chain including processing and distribution. However, Nasbadi later faced several challenges such as high operating costs, shrinking profit margin, intense price competition, and reduced demand during the pandemic. As a result, the company transitioned to a trading-based business model. Today, Nasbadi sources chickens from partners, suppliers while still overseeing processing and distribution. The company supplies wholesaler, market vendors, supermarket, and canteen across Kedah, Perlis, and Langkawi. Its current focus is on maintaining strong customer relationship, ensuring timely deliveries, and resolving issues quickly to provide reliable service. Next, I will explain the brand inventory of Nasbadi Processing. Firstly, the brand name Nasbadi Processing directly reflects the company's core business activity in the chicken production workflow. The term processing clearly represents key operations such as cleaning, cutting, packaging, and preparing chicken product for distribution. This makes the brand name straightforward and easy for customers to understand. The company's slogan is Fresh Supply Trusted Service. This slogan is simple and memorable, and it communicates two important brand values: product freshness and customer trust. It helps to reinforce confidence among the customer, especially in a food-related business. In terms of digital presence, Nasmadi Processing is active on social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. These platforms are mainly used to promote products and services, increase brand visibility, and maintain communication with their customers.
Okay, now let's move to consumer analysis. We focus on customer target, which is current target market for Nasmadi. So there are 4 type customer, which is the first one is wet market chicken sellers, mostly stall hawker in Kedah, Perlis, and Langkawi. So they usually buy chicken from Nasmadi because of price stability, consistent quality, and fast delivery. The second one is supermarkets and mini markets. So usually local chains and independent grocery stores. So they prefer Nasbadi because of they want clean packaging, safe slaughter process, and regular weekly supplies. And yes, the third one is of course a restaurant, food stall, and cafes because, for example, like Western outlets, they want freshness and halal compliance with reliable timing. And lastly, canteen and caterers, they usually buy in large volume with a long-term supply contracts. Now we move to market segmentation, which is B2B. The first one is behavior aspect. So customer usually prefer Nasbadi because of they provide fast problem resolution, long-term relationship, and they provide delivery fresh chicken on the same day. And then for buying pattern, they usually order in weekly or daily with high volume because loyalty really depends on price plus supply stability. Next, for demographic, Nasmadi usually focus on Kedah, Perlis, and Langkawi because of it really helps reduce transportation costs. And then for the demographic, usually focus on retailers, F&B, institutions, and wholesaler. Lastly, psychographic aspect, which is more on price sensitiveness, which is they prefer more on consistent supply rather than bidding, personal service, and more on efficiency-focused business owners.
In this session, I will explain the marketing mix of Nasmadi, which focusing on product, price, place, and promotion, that particularly in the fresh chicken market. Nasmadi supply fresh slaughtered chicken, mainly targeting B2B customers such as wholesalers, market traders, restaurants, canteen vendors, and supermarkets. The core product offer is standard white chicken, which meets daily market demand. Nasmadi emphasized the consistent quality and fast customer service response to ensure reliability for business customers. In addition, Nasmadi also provides the village chicken options, allowing the company serve customers who prefer traditional or premium chicken choice. In terms of pricing, Nasmadi adopts a cost-based pricing strategy, which means the prices are influenced by procurement and operational costs. The company does not compete aggressively on price because the large competitors control the entire supply chain, which means enabling them to offer the lower price. Instead, Nasmadi focuses on maintaining reasonable price while ensuring the product freshness and consistency supply for its customer. Nasmadi is located in Kuala Perlis, which is strategically positioned to serve the northern region. The company distributes fresh chicken to Kedah, Perlis, and Langkawi. The main distribution channels include wet markets, supermarkets, canteen vendors, and wholesalers, which allowing Nasmadi to reach both traditional and modern trade customer efficiently. For promotion, Nasmadi mainly relies on traditional methods such as word of mouth marketing, which help to build long-term relationship and trust with customers. At the same time, the company also uses digital promotion through the Instagram and social media platforms such as Facebook, and these digital channels are primarily used to increase the brand awareness and brand visibility rather than a direct sales. Overall, the Nasmadi marketing mix focuses on product freshness, reliable distribution, and strong customer relationship, which are essential in the fresh chicken B2B market.
Okay, competitor analysis. One of the best and biggest main competitor for Nasmadi in this industry, which is Bismi Poultry. So this company really having good relationship with many market sellers. They also achieve strong local brand recognitions, consistent supply to market, and then they have their own cable tie on chicken feed as a brand identity. However, this company also having some downsides, which is like limited expansion compared to other competitors like CAB and CP. And this brand is easily imitated, and price usually sometimes are higher than bigger corporates. Okay, now similarities and difference between Nasmadi and Bismi Poultry, which is a POP and POD. So for the POP, which Nasmadi expect, the first one, Bismi Poultry usually provide fresh chicken. They're using halal slaughter. Both of this company offer B2B supply, and they're usually using similar packaging style. However, for POD, of course, the branding itself, price competitiveness, and they are using their own service speed. Speaking about best second competitor for Nasmadi, which is CAB Cakran Corporation Berhad. So this company really have great strengths, like they own entire supply chains, can offer lower prices, and then they having stable and consistent supply and wide distribution network. However, this company also have their own downsides, which is less personal service to smaller buyers, and they usually focus on larger contracts, and of course small customers are usually or might get lower price. We move on with POP business body, which is quite similar with the first competitor. Something like both sell poultry product, service to customers. They achieve halal certified processing, and they share similar distribution channels. However, for point of difference, or what we say difference between these two companies, of course, like prices, customer service, and scale of operations.
Next, we are looking at the primary brand issues and operation challenge that faced by Nasmadi Processing. Currently, the company is facing three main challenges that can affect their business performance. Firstly, the company is struggling with high operation costs regarding staffing, rent, and management. This overhead has decreased profit margin, so it becomes difficult to remain competitive. As a result, Nasmadi has to temporarily close its factory from manufacture to a trending-based model. Secondly, Nasmadi face high competition for other companies like CAB and Bismillah. This competitor's strength is low cost structure because they control their entire supply chains. This vertical integration allows them to offer price that Nasmadi simply cannot match it in the current market. Finally, there is a clear weakness in their digital marketing strategy. owner currently view social media only as a secondary promotion tool rather than a driver for sales. Because the owner still maintaining in traditional and physical promotion methods, the brand is seeing very low conversion rate for its online presence.
The next one is analysis SWOT. First, for strength, Nasmadi has strong efficiency and speed in the customer service, which helps increase customer satisfaction. They also offer same-day problem resolution, making them more reliable compared to the competitors. In addition, the company maintains guaranteed product quality by focusing on the hygiene and freshness, which can build the customer's trust. The next one is weaknesses. Nasmadi is not vertically integrated, meaning they rely on the external supply for a raw material. This limits their control over cost and quality. The business also faces higher operating costs, making it difficult to compete with the larger integrated company. Moreover, the lack of product differentiation makes it harder to stand out in the market. The next one is the opportunity. There is a strong opportunity to introduce kampung or free red chicken product which are more healthier and more premium. The Nasmadi can also strengthen customer loyalty through the friendly and efficient service. With effective distribution network, the company can expand market reach and build strong brand recognition. The last one is the strength. Lastly, Nasmadi faces a strong competition from large integrated company that can offer a lower price. Economic instability and price fluctuation also pose risk to business sustainability. In addition, rising operational costs may affect long-term profitability if not well managed. The next one is the key insight. First, Nasmadi have shifted from owning farms to a trading-based model. This helps Nasmadi to reduce the cost but limit control over pricing and supply. The second one is the chicken is a standard product, so it is difficult to differentiate. Only product like the ayam kampung offer a higher value and uniqueness. The last one is the large competitors dominate the market because they control the flow of supply chain. Therefore, Nasmadi must focus on service quality and niche markets instead of price competition. For the recommendation, for the short term, Nasmadi should improve in digital marketing by focusing on B2B content and customer testimonial. They should also use targeted ads and track performance using the clear KPI. For the medium term, Nasmadi can partner with local farmers to supply ayam kampung and strengthen its brand as a reliable supply. And building better customer relationship is also important. The last one is for the long term, the company should expand its ayam kampung product line and develop a proper sales funnel and explore frozen or maybe ready to cook product to ensure long-term sustainability.
Next, I will present the new brand element for Nasmadi. Nasmadi old logo was a simple green and white oval icon. The design did not have the clear identity and did not immediately communicate that Nasmadi was specialized in retailing and processing chicken. To grow as a modern and fashionable brand, Nasmadi needed a new identity that was clear and recognized. This brings the new logo. As can see, we changed the oval shape to a more dynamic shell icon. This design not just for look, but every part has a purpose. First is the shoe. This represents reliability and professionalism. It shows that Nasmadi is not just a shop, but a reliable partner for other businesses. Second is the orange arrow and wings. This symbol represents quickness and agility. Customer like efficiency, and these things show how Nasmadi are always ready to help. And the last is the bird motif. Our group make the image of portrait more modern, making it clear that Nasmadi has a professional experience in the chicken industry. Next, let's discuss the color palette. We choose not to use the usual red and yellows since in the food industry, so that Nasmadi would stand out as the trending company that focus on services. Blue is our main color and it's make the company look professional and reliable. It's the color that represents the stability a B2B supplier must have. Orange is a bright color that makes Nasmadi stand out and shows they are active and ready to help. White is the secondary background color and it represents clearness, hygiene, and the high quality of product, which is essential in the poultry processing industry. Besides that, our group are introducing new slogan to Nasmadi, which is reliable supply, fast resolution. We choose this slogan because they are familiar and easy to remember. It also tell customer exactly what they can expect when they purchase with Nasmadi. In conclusion, this rebranding is more than just a new look. We are making Nasmadi look like a leader in the poultry industry by combining a professional show logo and modern color scheme and a clear slogan.
Today, I will explain about the promotion strategy for Nasmadi processing sector Berhad. Nasmadi operates in a highly competitive chicken supply industry, so strong promotion is needed to stand out and build trust with customers and supermarkets. From the customer perception perspective, Nasmadi can improve its packaging by adding freshness indicators, clear halal certification labels, and QR codes with product information. Next, Nasmadi can strengthen digital promotion by sharing behind the scenes content, staff introductions, and posts about halal standards and food safety on social media. This helps showcase the company experience, professionalism, and commitment to quality while building long-term customer trust. For the customer engagement, Nasmadi can organize sampling or demo seasons in supermarkets. These events allow customers to experience the freshness and taste of the chicken, increasing engagement and encouraging larger and repeat orders. Finally, Nasmadi can offer bulk order discount and rewards for loyal partners. This encourages suppliers to prioritize Nasmadi products and help build strong long-term business relationships. The digital presence and performance strategy for Nasmadi processing sector in Berhad. Nasmadi should develop a professional website that includes detailed product information, certification, processing methods, and ordering detail. This website can act as a central hub for promotions while improving transparency, credibility, and trust among supermarkets and business partners. In addition, Nasmadi can leverage social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram to showcase transparency and quality. By sharing regular updates, behind the scene content, and educational posts about food safety, hygiene, and processing standards, the company can strengthen its professional image and increase the brand awareness. For digital performance, Nasmadi should track repeat orders and supplier satisfaction. By monitoring supplier feedback and identifying which products or campaigns perform well, the company can improve weaker areas and maintain consistent quality. Lastly, Nasmadi should actively collect feedback from supermarkets and consumers on product quality, packaging, and delivery services. Responding to this feedback help improve services, show responsiveness to customer needs, and build long-term business relationships. Explore other promotional ideas. The company can collaborate with the supermarkets on more branded campaigns like the fresh chicken of the week and bundle deals to increase shelf visibility, sales, and brand recognition. Seasonal promotions during festival periods can attract new customers, boost sales, and create buzz. In addition, organizing sampling or demo events lets customers experience freshness and quality, build trust, encourage repeat purchases, and motivate supermarkets to stock and recommend Nasmani products. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, Nasmadi can be described as a resilient SME that has successfully adapted to rising costs, intense competition, and the impact of the pandemic. The company made a strategic shift from the food processing operation to a more practical trading-based model, allowing it to remain sustainable in a challenging market. One of the Nasmadi key strengths is the strong trust it has built with customers through fast response, reliable supply, and consistent service quality. These service-related strengths have helped the company maintain loyal business customers and their competitive pressures. However, the brand audit also identified a main gap, which is limited product differentiation and the underutilization of digital platform, particularly from business to business lead generations. That's all from our team.